Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to check jamb results. Once you write jamb, the next thing is for the result to be released and for you to check. So simply come to this and type www.jamb.org.ng www.jamb.org.ng. So once you type in that, you are going to see this opened. Once this is opened, you can see where they wrote check 2018 UTME result. That is if you just wrote the last result is what is normally shown here. If you want to check results for maybe 2016 or years back, you can simply click on this check if facility. This time around you have to like pay 1,000 for you to check, but if you just recently wrote jamb, just click on this link here. So once you click on this link, it's going to open here where you are supposed to put your jamb registration number or email. So I'm simply going to put a jamb registration number. Any jamb registration number that you put, provided it is a recently written jamb registration number like this one, you can say check result, then you'll be able to see your results. So that's how you see results. When you check, you can click on print to print this result back. So you can actually do that to check your jamb results. So that is how you check jamb results in jamb website. So hope you got that. You can do a whole lot of things. You can do a whole lot of things with this. So let's say you have let's say you already let's say your result is not of the recent ones. You did not write in 2018, so you have to click on this check using e-facility, and you have to put your email, then put your password, then you have to log in. The email and password is the email and password that you used in opening your jamb profile when you did it. So you just type in your email and password, the one you used in opening your profile when you did your profile. So once you type it in, you should be able to put your password. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button, put your email and your password, click on login, then your profile will open so that you can make payments and print out your jamb result. Thank you and God bless you. Please, if you like this, click on the subscribe button below. Thank you.